this out. Brenspeed Stage 3 Paxton package on this 15 to 17 Mustang right here, S550. And oh look, 18 manifold. Killer setup. We did install more parts than that. So what you heard earlier that sounded so awesome was you watched a video on this car probably about a month ago. And this is just kind of an update. I'll put a link at the end of this to the other video. But we installed the Vortec MaxFlow race blow-off valve, Kooks 1 7/8 headers, MBRP exhaust, and that thing is sweet with an 18 manifold on it. That thing laid down 753 rear wheel horsepower, manual training car, 93 octane, and 553 torque. Let's take a look. So that's rated SAE right there, 753 to the tires, 553 torque. I just wanted to do a short video on this car so you could hear how that new blow-off valve sounds, because it is awesome, as well as the Kooks headers are sweet on this car. I really, really like it. So if you're wondering how much something like this costs to be installed, you just email quote@brenspeed.com. We give you a price on that. We do mail order this, so you can go to brenspeed.com and do that, or call us 574-594-9559. Be happy to give you a price. Don't forget, it's free shipping to the 48 states. And leave a comment. I'd be happy to answer. Really sweet ride right there. S550, 750 the tires on pump gas. You gotta love it. Thanks for watching.